channel. Today I am going to install this i7-8700K processor on my MSI PC Pro motherboard. So firstly, subscribe my channel for more how-tos video, and I also do unboxing on my channel. So let us start by taking up the CPU. This is the CPU. Firstly, open this. You have to find the side. So this is the side where it opens. So I have successfully opened the CPU. Keep it aside. Now press this to open the CPU slot and it will open. I have successfully opened the slot. Now hold the CPU just like this. Do not touch any of these. Align this small triangle with the triangle present on the socket. Here the triangle is here. So I will put the CPU just like this on the slot, and here it is installed. Just put this just press this to install the CPU. Power to install the CPU. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thanks for watching.